Today I'm going to show you how to download Grammarly on your computer step by step using the official desktop app page. This is the fastest and safest way to get Grammarly installed so you can start improving your writing right away. Whether you want it for school, work, emails, or everyday typing, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process from download to sign in. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Grammarly desktop app page. You can type in grammarly.com/desktop or just use the link from the description if it's available. Make sure you're on the official Grammarly website so you know you're downloading the real app and not a third-party version. Once the page loads, look for the Download Grammarly button. It should be clearly visible on the page, and it may say that it's free. Click that button to begin the download. After you click it, your browser will start downloading the Grammarly installer file to your computer. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in the bottom bar, the Downloads menu, or in your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open the installer file. On Windows, this will usually be an .exe file. Double-click the file to launch the setup process. If your computer asks for permission to make changes, click Yes or Allow so the installer can continue. Now Grammarly will begin installing on your device. This usually only takes a short moment, so just let the setup finish. After the installation is complete, Grammarly should launch automatically. If it doesn't open on its own, you can find it in your Applications or Start menu and open it manually. When Grammarly opens, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Grammarly account, just enter your login details and continue. If you're new to Grammarly, follow the prompts to create a free account and get started. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to use Grammarly on your desktop and start checking your writing right away. You can connect it to your workflow and begin using it for documents, messages, and more. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Grammarly, installed the desktop app, and signed in or created your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.